Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are going to do the assignment. First assignment that comes the Arabic words. Okay. So this assignment, before this assignment, you might have learned using the ending sounds how you're gonna differentiate Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. So based in a sentence, how to differentiate Rafa, Nasab, Jar, that logically we understand. Now we are coming to Arabic side of it. From looking at the ending sound, how we gonna understand Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. So for that, you need to memorize the chart, Muslim chart. That is Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Then there is a feminine chart, that is Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimataini, Muslimataini, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. Okay. So you have to go back to the lesson. If you don't remember this, go back to the lesson and see how to identify Rafa Nasib Jar using that chart. That's very important to do this lesson. Okay. First one, An-Nasu. It's like Muslimun, Muslimu. So if it is finishing in Dhamma, that is Rafa. An-Nasu is Rafa. Number two. Okay. And also you need to say sound and what is sound and combo also. Sound and combo mean Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, or Muslimu, Muslima, Muslimi. These are ending U, A, E. U, A, U, A, E. Sound un and in, U, A, E. These sounds, if ending with that sound, that is called sound. Okay, that is sound. What is combo? Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimini. Ani, Aini, Aini. Or Muslimuna, Muslimina, Mina. Una, Ina, Ina. That's called combo. Ani, Aini, Aini. Or Ani, Aini. Or Una, Ina. These are combo. That is for the male chart. Feminine chart, Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin. That is again un and in sound is, or un and in, or u a is sound is sound. Okay, that ending is sound. But if you think Muslimatani, 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 again ani, aini, that is combo. And Muslimatun, Muslimatin, atun and atin ending is called combo. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so Annasu is just u sound. That is status is status is Rafa, and it's a sound ending. Okay. Second one is Al Kitab. Kitab. It is also a sound and status is Nasib. Muslimun, Musliman. So Muslima, Nasib. And Nafsin. Nafsin like Muslimin. So it is Jar. Okay. And also it is a sound. Okay. Next one is Makithina. Okay. This is the first time the combo is coming. Makithina like Muslimina. So Muslimina like Makithina. Muslimina, it can be Nasib Jar. That pattern can be can be Nasib Jar both. Okay. And it is a combo. So combo and Nasib Jar. Number 5, Wahidatin. Wahidatin is, it's a sound because like Muslimin, and it is a jar because it's Muslimin, like Muslimin is jar, or Muslimatin is jar. Number 6 is Hivajan. It's obviously a sound and it's a nasib. Allah, it's a sound and nasib. Al Banuna, Banuuna, like Muslimuna, the una sound is there. So Muslimuna is Rafa, like Al Banuna is Rafa. Okay, so it's a combo. It's a combo. It's not a sound ending. It's a combo ending. And Al Khabitha, Al Khabitha. So Khabitha is like a sound ending. It is a nasib. Al Bahraini. See Muslimani, Muslimaini, like Bahrani, Bahraini, Bahraini. So Bahraini is like Muslimaini. It's a Aini, Ani, Aini is a combo. It's a combo and it can be a nasib or jar. Okay. Number 11, bit Tayyibi. Tayyibi is ending E sound. It's like Muslimi. So it is a jar and it's a sound. It's not a combo. Sabiran is a sound ending. Okay, it's not a combo. Sabiran and it's a nasib like Musliman. Next one is 13 is Huban, like Musliman, Huban. It's nasib, it's a sound. And As-Safinati, like Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimati. It's like it's a jar and it's a sound ending. Thulatha, sound ending, nasib. Arudi, Aruli is jar and sound ending. Nilatan is a nasib and sound ending, like Muslimatan. Salihatin, a little tricky. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin. This is not Muslimatin. This is Muslimatani, 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 Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. Can you see Atin sound is there? Atin. That's a tricky one. So Atin sound is, it is not a sound ending. It is a combo ending. Atin. Muslimatun is Rafa. Muslimatin is can be Nasabot. So Salihatin is like Nasabot. Uh, and it is a sound ending. So if you want the entire chart of the, see all these words it's mentioned, you can do the entire chart. Okay, if you can do all entire chart, that means you're perfect in. You take any word and do entire chart, not one chart. You can do both chart. Okay, say example, I will do the male chart of this. Salihun, Salihan, Salihin, Salihani, 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 Salihuna, Salihina, Salihina. So male chart is done. Then feminine chart is Salihatun, Salihatan, Salihatin, Tani, Salihataini, Salihataini, Salihatun, Salihatin, Salihatin. That's the idea. So this is the Salihat. It can be, it's a combo ending and can be Nasuboja. That's the idea. So all these words, that's what I'm saying. All these words, some word might be difficult for you, but all these words you can do the complete chart. Next one, honey an is nasib. It's very easy. It's a sound ending. Basharun, Basharun is a sound ending like Muslimun. It's Rafa. Next one is al walidani, like Muslimani, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Walidani, Walidaini, Walidaini. So Walidani is Rafa and it's a combo ending, not a sound ending. Al Hizbaini, like Muslimaini, Hizbaini. So that also sound and the combo ending, and it can be Nasibojar. Hizbaini can be Nasibojar. And 23, Akrabuna, like Muslimuna. It's a Rafa and it's a combo ending. 24, Bisultanin, like Bisultanin. You might little, this is also a little bit tricky. You might think it's like Muslimani. Remember, for Muslimani, there is no word called Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. There is no word called Muslimanin. Okay, there is no word called Muslimanin. See, this is Bisultanin. So it is double kasara. Okay, double kasara. So it has to be like Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. It's like Muslimin. Only double kasara can come for the jar. Okay, so other, so it's only can come in sounds. Only combo does not have double kasra x. Oh, the combo doesn't have even Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimatin, Muslimatini, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. So combo doesn't have double kasra except Muslimatun, Muslimatin. The feminine chart, the plural one, only has the double kasra, and it is not a atin sound. This is bisultanin. So it is not ending from atin or atun. So that, so it's not a feminine one as well. So this is obviously a jar, and this is like a Muslimin. Okay, bisultanin like Muslimin. It's not a combo. It is a sound. That's the idea. Okay, it's a tricky one anyway. 25, al unseyaini, like Muslimani, Muslimaini. It's like unseyaini. It's like aini sound. So it is a aini sound can be it's a combo obviously, and it is a nasib or jar. And 26 is very easy. Muttaqina, like Muslimina. So it is a nasib or jar, and it's a combo. And ruhu also easy like Muslimu. It is u sound. It is a rafa, and it's a it's rafa, and also it's a sound. It's not a combo. And jannataini. It's a combo, and it is nasibojar. And khalidina, like Muslimina, khalidina. So it is nasibojar and it's a combo. 30. Kaimat, kaima, kaimatan, I think. Kaimatan. If it's a kaimatan, then like Muslimatan. So it is a nasib. It's also sound, not a combo. Mujrimuna, like Muslimuna, una ending. Una ending is it's a combo and it is rafa. And number 32 is sama'i. Sama'i. Sama'i is like uh, Sama'un, Sama'an, Sama'in. So Sama'u, Sama'a, Sama'i. So it's like Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, or Muslimu, Muslima, Muslimi. That's the idea. So it's a sound, it's a sound and it's a jar. And 33 is Munzirina. Very easy, like Muslimina. Munzirina is like Muslimina. So it is a Nasibo jar. And it's a combo. And Samabatin like Muslimatin. It's a combo. Atin sound. It's a combo. Atin is always combo. And it is a Nasibo jar. And 35 li Gulamaini. Gulamani, Gulamaini, Gulamaini. It's a combo and it's Nasibo jar. Like Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. Last one is Mulilina. Like Muslimina. So it's a Nasibo jar. It's a combo. So it's a very easy exercise. What you just do is like understand whether it's a combo or sound. First you understand that. So how to understand combo sound? Un and in sound. If you get un and in or u a e sound, that's a sound ending. And if you get ani aini or una ina, that means it is it's a combo. Also in feminine chart, you will get the atin, atun and atin. Atun and Atin. That's the only additional combo comes in feminine chart. Okay? Because Unna Nin and Ani Aini is same in the feminine chart. Only additional difference is Atin, Atun and Atin. So Ani Aini, Una, Ina, Atun, Atin. These are comes, this ending sound comes, that means it is a combo. All other sounds are sound. So if it is a sound, you can easily u, a, e or unna, nin, you can figure out rafa, nasib, jar. If it is a combo, ani is rafa, aini is nasib, nasib jar. And una is rafa, ina is nasib jar. And atun is rafa, atin is nasib jar. That's it. This is the entire idea. If you can write it down what I said last, you can easily figure this out. So that much easy. This is like now when you're reading Quran, you need to figure out what is Rafa, what is Nasib, what is Jar. So who's doing the act, what is the detail of the act. So you will start to figure out what is after off. You will figure out all those things, inshallah. Okay, one additional thing, say example, I might have explained in the theory as well. So if you see like Muslimuna is Rafa, that's obvious. Muslimina is Nasibo Jar, right? We are studying as Nasibo Jar now. But in Quran, is Muslimina come, it's Aida Nasibo Jar. Aida Nasibo Jar. So we can figure it out if you know the other grammars. So now you cannot figure it out. Now if you say the answer is Muslimina is Nasibo Jar, that's more than enough. That's more than enough. So later on, when we after studying all the grammar, we can figure it out. Muslimina, or it is exactly it's nasib or jar, we can figure it out. That's later on. Now if you can say it can be nasib, it can be jar, that is more than enough at this stage. You finish only 2-3 lessons. This is more than enough, that if you know that. Okay, that's the idea. So jazakallah khair. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to understand the Quran and internalize and spread across the world, and go to paradise by understanding and take this Quran into our life, inshallah. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin Nabil Ummi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.